Hello everyone, welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the Digital Satellite Finder. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast setting up your own satellite system, having a reliable and versatile satellite finder is crucial. The SiteLink ST Digital Satellite Finder stands out with its wide compatibility, high-resolution display, and professional-grade signal decoding capabilities. Let's break down what this device offers, along with its pros and cons, to help you determine if it's the right tool for your needs. Key features: 4.3-inch high-resolution TFT LCD screen. Its 4.3-inch HD TFT screen delivers sharp and vibrant visuals, allowing for easy reading of signal strength and quality even in bright environments. This screen size improves usability when fine-tuning dish alignment or scanning channels. Advanced signal decoding. Equipped with support for MPEG-2, PEG-4H, 264/MPEG-4 AVCNH, 265/HEV. See, the SiteLink ST can decode a wide range of modern signal formats. This ensures backward and forward compatibility with both older systems and the latest broadcast standards. Accurate signal metering. The built-in digital signal strength and quality meter offers precise measurements to quickly identify and resolve signal issues, an essential feature for professionals aiming for peak performance. Auto and manual scan modes. Choose between auto scan for quick satellite detection or manual scan for fine-tuned control. This dual-mode functionality caters to both beginners and advanced users. Sound and light signal alarm. The integrated speaker and light alarm system notifies users when a signal is locked, providing audible and visual confirmation even in low-light environments. Pros. Supports multiple DVB standards. Large and clear 4.3 HD TFT screen. Wide signal decoding support, including H.265. Dual scan options. Audible and visual signal lock alarms. HDMI and AV outputs for flexible display options. Built-in battery with decent longevity. LNB short-circuit protection for safety. Portable and user-friendly design. USB firmware upgrade keeps device up to date. Cons. No built-in Wi-Fi or app connectivity for remote control. Display, while clear, may not match full HD panels in resolution. Advanced features might be overwhelming for complete beginners. Battery could be larger for extremely long field sessions. Final verdict. The SiteLink ST Digital Satellite Finder is a powerful, all-in-one solution for satellite signal detection and alignment. With its wide compatibility, user-friendly display, and robust feature set, it's a great investment for both professionals and serious hobbyists. Though it lacks some high-end connectivity features like Wi-Fi, its core strengths in performance and ease of use make it a top contender in its category. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Best Product.